Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I love things that are timeless and that really work with everything. That's why I'm really in love with this beautiful bag from SHESTORY. This is a beautiful leather bag that works as a crossbody or a shoulder bag. And you can see the detail up close that it has that beautiful pebble leather. The bag itself has lots of beautiful details as well. So it has an adjustable shoulder strap. It also has these really nice gold details. They're well made. The zipper feels like it's nice and sturdy. What I love about the bag is that even though it is a smaller bag, it really holds so much, even more than you would think just from looking at the outside. The bag is 9 inches wide and 7.5 inches high, but look at inside. You can see that it has a zipped pocket in the middle. It has exterior pockets on the inside, so you can put your easy to grab things in there. And I love that it has the magnetic clasp so that I can keep everything nice and secure in the bag. The bag is so versatile. It would be perfect if you're going for a walk because it only weighs a pound. But it's also pretty enough and elegant so that you could use it on a night out or when traveling. So if you're looking at this bag and wondering, would I carry that on my shoulder? Would I hold it in my hands? Well, get one for yourself and check it out. You'll be so happy with this beautiful compact bag that holds all of your belongings. And that's just my point of view.